top.
What have you got in your skirt, Aster?
It's the field guide.
What do you have in there?
It's not supposed to be a storage place.
I got this.
Oh, what is that?
A computer.
Oh,
It's a story box.
why are you storing it in your skirt?
Because it's mine.
It's mine?
It's not yours.
But yes, it is.
Mm-hmm.
It's ours.
Yes, so why is it in your skirt?
Because I love it.
You love it?
Well, even though you love it, it's still not yours. But it still is mine. It still is mine.